Okay, so we have this huge pack of lettuce over here, and then everything that's in the fridge. I'm gonna start by taking everything out of the fridge and just piling it up on the counters. It was a disaster. Look, everything is just piled in. You can't even see what's in there. There's stuff in the back. I've been needing to do this since I moved in. October 1st. It is now April 18th, the day after my son's first birthday, and I'm just not getting around to it. If you're new to my channel, I have an 8-year-old, a 3-year-old, and then now 1-year-old, so I need to keep some things handy for the girls to be able to get. I used to have them in the door, like their cheese sticks, their yogurts, which I might still do some of that stuff, and I've always kept my milk in the door, but after watching a bunch of videos, I'm learning that milk is supposed to go like in the center of the fridge and not in the door. Like I know so many people that keep their milk in the door, but apparently it's supposed to go like in the middle of the fridge or not on the top shelf because heat rises. So like in the middle of the shelf or in the middle of the refrigerator, probably like this section right here is where milk and eggs should go. My eggs are already there, so I need to adjust things, maybe move my beverages to the top shelf, my cans of pop. Like this shelf is so small. This is just packed full of there's meat, there's cheese, there's green onions, there's butter. I have these 2 drawers, like my produce drawers, but they're both broken. Like I rent here, so I can't go buy a new refrigerator. So we have to make do with what we have. And this is just basically full of cheese, and there's some spinach in there. There's like no rhyme or reason. See, they don't go in and out very well. So that's why I keep things kind of handy for the girls. But this is just, oh my God. Oh my God. I have a turntable back there that has like all my pickles and stuff, which apparently they need to be going in the door since the door is like the most up and down with temperature. Things I didn't know. And this is the freezer, just the same, just completely packed. We moved things from one fridge at our old house to this one and just threw them in. They've never been organized, ever. So yeah, I'm gonna start by taking everything out of the fridge. so everything is out of the refrigerator. We've got Sunny Delight. We've got 2 things of lettuce, more lettuce. Look at all these strawberries. Because my stepdad, when he goes to the store, he'll ask if I need anything, and I'll tell him no. And if he's at Sam's, he brings us like, he asked me 2 days ago, and I said I didn't need anything. I just went to the store, and he brought me this huge thing of strawberries and another huge thing of tomatoes, which I already had one. And he's brought me, I think, 2 of these. I bought some of myself because we got angel food cake. So this is all like produce. There's spinach, cucumbers, broccoli, green onions, Caesar salad, lemons, apples, oranges, celery, and apples down there. Here's a huge mound of cheeses. We've got raspberries, blueberries. There's just everything. Milk, yogurt, cottage cheese, lots of condiments. These are my clean dishes, and that's my straightener. I took it off the counter so I could have room. My drink thing, my lavish bread. That's some leftovers that are still good. Just a tiny smidgen of orange juice. I don't know why that's in there. We've got hot dogs, cheese, pepperoni, desserts. Sorry. Condiments, pickles, applesauce, lunch meat, bacon, cheese, yogurts, eggs, pudding, more dessert, Jello. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to clean out the refrigerator. I'm going to wash it out, and I'm going, look, that's all for the pantry because the pantry's next. I need to wash out the refrigerator, and then I'm going to kind of go through things and see, throw away anything that's expired. So yeah, this is just, I should have done this before I started buying groceries. Okay, so everything is out. Look how gross these shelves are. Can't really see in that one. There are spills, there are crumbs. See, this drawer, like, that's all the bigger it is. It's like as big as my hand. That's all the bigger it is down here at the bottom. Oh, and it says cheese and meats. See, the drawers are broken. I don't know if it's something I can fix. No, see how it's lopsided, or is this? I don't know. This one says vegetables and fruit. So I guess I'm supposed to share that with both. Crumbs everywhere. Crumbs everywhere. It doesn't really say anything on it. So yeah, we are going to, and this says, refrigerator, freezer. Yeah, this is a mini chiller, climate controlled. I don't know what that means. But yeah, now I'm just gonna wash everything out. Get it nice and clean. Okay, so I dug out all the plastic containers that I bought like a month or so ago, 2 months ago. If you watched it, it was an Amazon unboxing. And I bought all these storage containers to organize my pantry. Yeah, don't mind this, the pantry's next. To organize the pantry and the refrigerators. So I have these deeper bins. There's 4 of these. They have the handles on them. They're all clear. Then I have 2. I used some downstairs already in my exercise room for my like fitness snacks. So there's 2 of these longer ones, which these do stack. Not all of them. These do right here. They have little lips on them that they stack if you have like a tall shelf. And then these and these also stack. These are bigger bins. All you do to stack them is you just alternate direction of the handle. These also have like the little lips on the edge to keep them so that they stack. So I have, let's see, 4, 5, 6 left of those. And I have 4 of these. These also stack. These also came with bottle openers, so I'm imagining these are basically for bottles of liquid, which would be great for juice boxes, the kids' chocolate milks, and their waters. So yeah. So I have all my containers out and ready to go. Like I said, pantry is next. I don't have a pantry. I did at my old house. That's why we've got to figure out the whole pantry situation. Pantry. All right, let's get started. Okay, so I got the inside washed out like the best I could. There's all of those. Get everything washed off. I was using the cleaner, then I switched to like a dish rag with hot soapy water with Dawn dish soap, and then a microfiber towel to dry it. I could not get this drawer out. Like I struggled, I was down here forever trying to get this drawer. I cannot get this drawer out. So there's stuff like underneath the drawer, and I can't get it because it doesn't pull out all the way. I can't get it to come out. Other than that, everything is good. I think I'm gonna continue to keep the cheese down there. I'll keep vegetables in there, and I'll probably keep fruit like maybe on this shelf. and the kids' like drinks on this shelf maybe. Then like milk and eggs, I'll keep meat, like lunch meat stuff in there. Other beverages on there, I don't know. I do like having their little snacks like in the door of the fridge where they can get them. Alex will come in and just grab like a little mandarin orange or a cheese stick. Like I like to have those where they can reach them. So yeah, now I'm gonna start going through my food and getting rid of anything that is no longer good or expired. Yeah. That, or I might just go ahead and take some of my clear containers and start putting them in here and seeing where they fit. I might just do that next. guys, my fridge is cleaned out and my labels came. Look how pretty. I just put my labels on. The green wasn't sticking on very well when I took the clear off, so right now the clear's still on. I'm gonna let it sit on there for a little while and see if maybe the clear will peel off better and leave the green letters on. I will link in the description box where I got my letters from. I ordered them. Allie, no. Wait a minute, I'm taking a video of our fridge, okay? Leave the fridge door still. So yeah, so there's the must-haves that we always have, like the mustard, mayonnaise, our favorite dressing. Okay. Jelly, tartar sauce, cocktail sauce. So there's the must-haves. There's the random condiments like pickles, bell peppers, garlic, hot sauce, taco sauce, steak sauce. Then we have the snacks, usually like the grab-and-go snacks, well, minus the lemons. I need to do something with my lemons. So we have like the girls' peppers. They love to come in and get peppers. Regular string cheese, Colby Jack string cheese. Like I said, don't mind my lemons. The yogurt tubes, what are they called? Go-gurts. Then down here, just like random things like ketchup and ranch that are too big to fit in the upper drawers. All these other extra sauces. Then over here, we have the cheese drawer, which is packed full of different cheeses. We have the veggies drawer, which is on my veggies. This shelf is where the fruit is because the kids eat more fruit than anything. So there's fruit. I need to get these strawberry tops cut off. I just got those the other day and get them in a container in there. Then they have like their drinks, juice boxes, the Kool-Aid drinks and chocolate milks, yogurts. This is like yogurt and pudding. Then we have the meats drawer. Oh, that should not be in there. The meats drawer. We have like the milk, juice, eggs, and then the top drawer. Okay, so I got the clear peeled off. I just let the letters sit for like, I don't know, 10 minutes, and then the clear peeled off really easily for the most part. There's the condiments, snacks, randoms, cheese, veggies, meats. Meats is a little bit crooked. I might attempt to move the letters.